Mr. Brown was a hardworking farmer. Day and night he toiled under the sun, planting seeds, tending to crops, and caring for the animals on his farm. Despite his tireless efforts, the villagers never took a moment to appreciate his hard work. Mr. Brown would watch the villagers enjoying the bountiful harvest he provided, but he felt an emptiness deep within. His heart longed for a simple acknowledgement, a word of gratitude, just a thank you for all the hard work that kept the whole village going, making sure everyone had what they needed. But the villagers were so caught up in their daily lives that they overlooked the dedication that Mr. Brown poured into his work. One day, Mr. Brown fell ill, and chaos loomed over the village. Crops withered, and the animals on the farm were left unattended. In the town square, the worried villagers gathered, facing a scarcity of food and milk. As they were thinking about the solution, right in the middle of the square, a furry yellow magical creature named Thank You appeared, introducing itself. The villagers looked in amazement as the yellow furry creature started talking. "Hello, dear villagers. I am Thank You, a magical word that holds the power to spread joy and appreciation. Today, I am here to remind you of the importance of gratitude and recognition." The magical voice echoed all around the square, capturing the attention of everyone present. The villagers looked at each other with curiosity, wanting to know what this special word had to share. Thank You went on. "Right here in your village, there's a farmer named Mr. Brown. He works really hard to make sure you have food on your tables and that you can enjoy a comfy life. But, sadly, no one really notices all he does, and you never admire his efforts. Sometimes, the easiest words hold the most special power. This magical word can make him feel really happy and can brighten up his life." As the villagers listened, they started to realize how important Mr. Brown's work was, and today, if he is not feeling well, the whole village is facing a problem. Guided by the magical word, the villagers decided to visit to Mr. Brown. With big smiles, they said thank you to Mr. Brown, telling him how much they appreciate all he did for the village and how much they value his hard work and commitment. Mr. Brown couldn't believe his ears. Tears of happiness filled his eyes as he felt the warmth of their gratitude. They promised to take charge of the farm and crops until he recovers. With the villagers' care, Mr. Brown regained his health. When he returned to his farm, it wasn't just a duty anymore. He felt the warmth of gratitude. The once unappreciated farmer wore a big smile, filled with new encouragement, as the village thrived with unity and appreciation. From that day on, the village became a wonderful place where everyone worked together and appreciated each other's efforts. Dear kids, hope you enjoyed this story. Please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for joining today.